Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Sveskr 61 key electric piano keyboard, specifically the Black A model. This is marketed as a keyboard for both beginners and professionals, and it comes with quite a package, including a stand, music stand, microphone, and even a bench, which is a nice bonus right out of the box. First impressions on the build quality are positive. The description says it's made from high-quality ABS plastic, and it feels sturdy enough for regular use, especially for someone just starting out. They also highlight that it's safe, non-toxic, and has no smell, which is reassuring, particularly if this is for a younger player. Now let's talk about the keys themselves. It features 61 full-size keys, which is standard for many beginner keyboards and provide a good range for learning. A standout feature here is that the keys light up. This is fantastic for beginners using learning apps or built-in lessons, making it visually intuitive to follow along. The keys are also described as touch-sensitive, aiming to give you some of that traditional piano feel, which is important for developing proper playing dynamics. Sound quality is always crucial, and this keyboard boasts a German premium custom chip and uses multi-layer sampling technology. It has built-in dual stereo speakers, and the claim is that the sound is more transparent, offering a better overall audio experience. While it won't replace a grand piano, for an electric keyboard in this category, having decent sound reproduction is key for practice and enjoyment. Feature-wise, this keyboard is packed. It comes with a large library of sounds and rhythms, 200 tones and 200 rhythms, plus 60 demo songs to play along with or just listen to. There are also 8 optional percussion instruments and drum sound kits, which can be great for keeping time or experimenting with different musical styles. For those looking to compose or practice sections, the recording and replay function is a valuable tool. It also supports single-fingered and fingered auto bass chords, which simplifies playing along with rhythms. You can select chord timbre, program or edit rhythms, and apply effects like transpose, tune, vibrato, sustain, and ensemble. These features add a lot of versatility for exploring different sounds and arrangements. Portability is another strong point. The keyboard is lightweight and can be powered either by the included power adapter or by batteries, meaning you aren't tied to a power outlet. This makes it easy to move around the house or take it with you if you need to practice elsewhere. Overall, the Sveskr 61 key electric piano keyboard seems like a comprehensive package, especially considering it includes the stand, music stand, microphone, and bench. The light-up keys are a major plus for beginners, and the wide array of tones, rhythms, and effects offer plenty to explore as skills develop. The dual power mode and portability add convenience, making it a flexible option for various playing environments. It appears to offer a solid set of features for its target audience, aiming to provide a good starting point or a versatile practice instrument.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.